Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole and here on We My Man I do lots of motherhood and lifestyle videos. Today's vlog is going to be a packing video. We're going to be moving house on Saturday. It's Tuesday today and today I'm going to be moving, packing all my breakables. We've got like a bar cart, so I'm going to wrap all of the bottles up. I'm going to be packing all the books, the baby room and all of the kitchen stuff. So yeah, I'm going to start doing that right now. Please excuse the state of me. I've just got out of the shower. I've done my makeup, so my hair's a bit wet. The baby's over there just rolling around. I'm in my scruffs. I've actually got my swimming costume on under this because we've got to try and pack in. Yeah, I know, tell me about it. We're going to go and go swimming. Yeah, gonna go swimming. So I've got my swimming costume on under this, and my voice keeps going. But yeah, let's get into it. This bookcase and just start putting it all in, most of the books, as many books as can, into these two suitcases. I've just taken this down off our wardrobe and look at this dust. Isn't that awful? And it really makes me depressed that I haven't been on holiday in God knows how long. That's how dusty my suitcase is. Are we gonna go swimming? Are we gonna go swimming? Look at your turtles. Shall we go? Shall we go? Yeah? I'm back. I did not get much done this afternoon. Diddy was just not having any of it. Whenever I turned my back to him, he was kicking off. So I think I'm going to have to end this vlog here today and pick it up again tomorrow. The other reason is that I wanted to go and finish packing up his bedroom. And then I realised that I've just run out of my last bit of packing tape. So annoying. I can't finish anything because I can't finish packing. I'm usually more organised than this. I shall see you in the morning with hopefully a more productive day. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hello everyone, it's day 2. Yesterday I didn't get much done. I still need to go out. I've also got people coming over tonight and we're going out for food because I'm probably not going to see them in a very long time because obviously we're moving. So yes, yeah, it's great fun packing with a baby. So I have this is the baby's room. This is what I've got to pack in here. It is just an absolute tip. Sorry about that, dids. Like all my washing, I still need to hang washing up. The washing machine is just finished, and there's the majority of the stuff. Sorry about the bad lighting. He was supposed to be going for a nap. I've put him that way so we can look at his little lights. Having none of it, are you, pal? Nope. Nope, mum. Nope. So, yeah, I'm going to start packing his overnight bag and weekend bag, and then just start packing all of this. All of that. Basically, over here, I've just got all his outfits ready for tomorrow, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, just so that we're not running around and I can pack up all his clothes and things like that. I have got changes in here, like spares in his actual nappy bag. Sign off here and I'll see you tomorrow where we're gonna finish packing everything up. I don't know why there's a chair in my kitchen. Oh yeah, to get that stuff down. My brain today.
Thank you.